Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be doing our closeout of our last paycheck from 2024, our paycheck number 2 from December. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. This is Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, and my name is Tara. If you're not new, you know you're already part of what? The Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99 and it costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. How is your January 2025 progressing so far? Have you been sticking to those goals, or are you one of those people like I was last year that started in February? Or are you going to be like, I'm starting on the 6th because you like to start on Mondays? I'm personally trying to start now and just kind of not perfect, that's not a good word, get a better routine going before, so that hopefully by the 6th, I will up and running. Okay. So let me know in the comments how you're doing. Let's get into the video. So look at all this money in my account. Y'all know we got paid and we already allocated it. So why is there all this money in my account? Well, I have a surprise for you guys. A surprise that made me cry, that made me silent, that made me pray, that made me just thank the Lord and thank the person. I don't even know. And then unfortunately something else happened that kind of like messed up our plans, but God always makes a way. So let me stop talking and show y'all. Hold on, y'all. I don't know why I can't ever, so I'm a little, okay. All right, guys. So here, do y'all see, first, do y'all see this 50? Let's address the elephant in the room, this $1,500. I've covered their name because they're a very private person, but my girl, Lisa, the one I was sitting and doing my budget forecast with, well, she decided that since I shouldn't have to choose with taking trips, saving, and she was going to take care of some of my appliances. I have so many vlogs, y'all, that y'all have not seen, but in one of the vlogs, I looked up at the ceiling in my house and I said, Lord, I can't even talk about it. I'm going to cry. How am I going to get new appliances? I don't have money to get new appliances. This is when the stove handle broke off. And I was like, this is crazy. And I just said, anyway, I'm grateful that the stove is still working. So for my friend to turn around and just be like, here is $1,500. She's selling me $1,500, and she said, use that towards the appliances. And she actually sent that amount of money because y'all, because we had found this site like American Freight or something that had super good prices on appliances. Now, here is where I'm like, really? I went yesterday to go look at the site, y'all. And why did it say, after 30 years, we are sorry to inform you that we have closed our doors? What? Y'all, I cannot make this up. Here it is. American Freight. We saw like really good prices, and I guess she figured it out on her head because she didn't tell me until after she decided she was going to send the money. Y'all, look at this. After 30 incredible years, American Freight has officially closed its door. I was like, no, are you kidding me? You guys, talk about devastating. I was so ready. I had all plans to ask my dad to bring me out there with the van, and we were going to go look and pick up a whole bunch of stuff. And girl, either way, I'm grateful. She didn't ask for the money back. She was like, girl, and I told her, I was like, oh my God, you wouldn't believe. And all she said was something along the line of, and let me not put any words in her mouth, I'm going to tell you exactly what she said, y'all. So, because a bigger amount of Zelle takes a little while, y'all. So she was asking me yesterday, like I was telling her good Happy New Year and all that, and she asked if the Zelle came through. And I was like, yes, it did. Thank you. I'm so bummed. I was so ready to look at the website and ask my dad to take me tomorrow. it just means, and this is after I had said good morning and showed her this sign. I was like, this place you sent me, right? Look what you said. Because I wanted to make sure it was the right site. She was like, don't be bummed. There are plenty of places. So this just means we're now on an adventure to find another like appliance place. So if you guys know of any good online appliance places, scratch and dent, or people that have really good deals, obviously there's Home Depot, Lowe's, and all of that. But I'm looking for something inexpensive where I can get the majority of my appliances for the $1,500 that she sent. But I just wanted to thank God and thank Lisa and thank him for sending people like Lisa in my life to be able to bless me in ways that I could not imagine. This is absolutely out of control. So yeah, that is what's happening there with that $1,500. Let's go back now after I've just given you 5 minutes of story time. I apologize, but I don't. I really wanted to share that wonderful moment with you guys. God is good. And so now let's go back to our bank and clear that down to our zero-based budget. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and transfer that $1,500. I had changed my rental repair category into new appliances because we're going to get some new appliances this year. Whether we get all of them or just some of them, it's fine. I'm just happy. Okay, here's new appliances, and we're going to move that whole entire $1,500 in today. So much money. I'm so grateful. I was so ready to go. Look, y'all, success. And maybe to manifest it or visualize it, I might actually go to the Lowe's today and just look around. So success in moving that money. And now we have $55.89. And let's clear all of these because I think something weird happened where it looks like my Zumba instructor, I moved money from Gym Vibes yesterday because we had gym yesterday. I was so excited. And I took it out of Gym Vibes and I sent it over to my instructor's husband. And then they sent it back. I'm like, why did they send it back? So I've texted her this morning to find out why they sent it back and if they meant to send it back. So we're just going to address that later. I'm just going to leave it there, or I may move it back to Gym Vibes just to get our balance down to where it needs to be. So actually, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and move that back to Gym Vibes. And then if she confirms that, oh, that was a mistake, or she wants me to have it for whatever reason, I don't know. Maybe she's like, you paid all for November and didn't go, so don't pay me for December. I don't care. I don't know. Either way, I'm glad to have the money to pay it or not pay it. So we're going to go to Gym Vibes and we're going to do $40 back over there, returned Zumba money. And we'll just watch for her text and see what that says. So success. So now it's showing at $15.89, which I think is going to be our buffer, but let's go ahead and clear out everything. If you are new here, the videos don't normally go like this. There's not usually a really long story time or anything like that, but I wanted to make sure that we clear everything. So for me, when everything is clear, that means that everything that is showing here with a number is green. If it's not green, then it hasn't been paid. So let's go down to the bottom and find out our first number. All right, guys. So we showed that there's $233.50, and that is going to be for my car payment. So let's make sure we mark that off in green. The car payment, the second half of the car payment did go through. Then right above that, we have the mortgage at $1,183.62, and that payment did go through. Let's see if there's anything else we're actually looking for. Oh, the security equipment. Ooh. Has that come through yet? That gets paid on the credit card. Well, that's concerning because then why is there... Nothing else needs to be green. I don't think. Nothing else needs to be green. Let me take this out. Except for the... Now there's $1 to PayPal. I don't even remember what that is, but I'm going to go ahead and put the $1 in there and mark it green. My concern, though, is about why this here security equipment did it not come out. Okay, it did. So all of these deposits here you'll see are moving. These were to pay the credit card. I moved them from their respective accounts from, go outside and so. If you saw my tracking video, you'd know about this. So these were just moving out to make payments. But here is the 4320 that comes off the credit card, and then we pay it back on the operating account. So that's why. And then that will be green also. And that should have been it. So we also had this was a payment to the credit card. So all the movement in and out of the accounts, and then the payment to the credit card. Now we also had 3 cents of interest on this account. So we'll go ahead and in just miscellaneous, we'll put that we got 0.03 cents of interest. And then that's it, y'all, except for the, the in and outs of the $40, which I'm not 100% sure on what's going on with that. And yeah. So it shows that we have a balance of $15.89 left. And as you can see, we also have a balance of $15.89 left, which y'all know we love to see it. Okay. So $15.89 was in the buffer. What are we going to do with this? What are we going to do with this $15.89? I think that it's going to go to, I know where it's going. It's going to go to beauty, because I believe that beauty, where is my iPad? Anyone? Over there. Hold on, you guys. Okay, yeah. So I owed $11.76 to beauty, to the credit card for beauty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that $15.89 over there, just to cover that. So we'll do beauty, and then that way we can clear out that charge from the credit card as well. Can't see. Okay, transfer success. Perfect. So that has been transferred, and we should be at a zero-based budget. So this $15.89 ended up going to beauty. Beauty needed a lot of money this month. Equals plus $15.89. Okay, $0. So zero-based budget, zero-based balance here. This is what we want. This is what we need. All right, guys. So thank you for listening to my story, and shout out again to my girl, Lisa. Peace and blessings, love and joy to all of you in 2025. I pray that everything that you move towards or work towards or plan to do is successful, prosperous, and led by God. He works in mysterious ways, y'all. Believe me when I say so, at the times when you don't even see things coming. So I just want to give all glory to God, glory, honor to God. Y'all know I'm always going to do that. Respectfully, if you don't, that's on you. But for me in my house, we're always going to give glory and honor to God when things are going good and when things are going bad. And y'all know my word this year is being peaceful and slowing down and being present. And I just want to take this moment to just be thankful for those that I have around me that are able to help me, and that knowing that God sees me and hears me when I ask for things. And y'all, we are done. It's a zero-based budget. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but forever. Love you. Mean it. Bye.